Hello guys, ako nga pala si Ran Flores Evangelista, also known as Sushi PH. Sorry and months na din tayo hindi nakapag-update kay ADB 160 Black. So sobrang busy. And yun, for this video, ito na ang ating first change oil maintenance, which is first 500 to 2,000 kilometers for 3 months. And dito na ang ating kasa sa Cabanatuan Honda, sa tapat ng SM Cabanatuan. At syempre, ang susundin natin na engine oil na ilalagay dito, which is yung recommended standard na nasa manual. So ito naman yung ilalagay na engine oil, the Honda Forte Scooter Oil Fully Synthetic SL10W30-MB. At isa pa, pinasabay ko na din yung ating scooter gear oil. As per kasa naman, din naman din sabay palitan ang scooter gear at engine oil. At ang binayaran ko lang ay ang engine at gear oil plus washer sa halagang 485 pesos. And don't worry, since February ko lang ito nilabas, meron pa tayong free kasa service. At yun lang ang video natin for now. Salamat sa mga sumusuporta at nanonood. Hanggang sa susunod na video natin, ride safe as always.